In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete Opera browser in PC. We'll walk through a clean, straightforward uninstall on Windows, and I'll point out a few tips so nothing gets in the way. First, make sure Opera is not running. Close every Opera window you can see. If you have downloads or streaming open, pause those and exit the browser. It's also a good idea to glance at the system tray near the clock. If you spot the Opera icon there, right-click it and choose Exit so the background process is closed. This prevents uninstall errors. Next, open Windows Search. You can click the search icon on the taskbar or press the Windows key and start typing. In the search bar, type Apps and Features, then open the matching system setting. On some newer Windows versions, this area may be labeled Installed Apps, but searching for apps and features will still take you to the right place. This is where Windows keeps the list of programs you can remove. Once you're in Apps and Features, use the Search This List box in the top area. Type Opera. You should now see Opera in the results. If you use a variant like Opera GX, it will show up here as well. Click Opera to expand its options, then select Uninstall. Confirm Uninstall again when Windows asks. It's normal to see more than one prompt. Just keep confirming until the Opera Uninstall window appears. In the Uninstall dialog, choose the settings you prefer. If you want a completely clean removal, include browsing data. If you plan to reinstall and keep bookmarks and settings, leave user data intact. Then proceed, and wait for the process to complete. When it finishes, the entry for Opera should disappear from the list. If you're told Opera is still running, close it from the tray or restart the PC and repeat the uninstall. And that's it. You've successfully removed Opera from your PC.